Hey, this is Rexin Chen. Today I would like to work on Lab 2. The first thing I would like to work on Lab 2 is solid. First, I would like to provide an example for solid. The example I would like to provide today is a kiwi. It is solid because its shape cannot change very regularly and it can never be changed if nothing is going on. The second thing I would like to talk about is milk. Milk is liquid. Why do I say that? We can easily see that the milk's shape is very irregular. It changes very frequently. The third thing I would like to talk about is gas. The example I would like to provide is hard-boiled water. We can see that the smoke can go on sometimes. It is gas because its shape changes very regularly. And it expands very easily. The fourth thing I would like to talk about is a homogeneous mixture. The homogeneous mixture is the same. Other things can be mixed, and they cannot be settled out if they are mixed. The example I would like to provide is salt water. I have put some salt in the water. Oh, maybe you can see very clearly. So let's put some more salt in it. We can see that there is some salt in it. Then if they are mixed, it seems there's nothing in it. The fifth thing I'd like to talk about is a heterogeneous mixture. This thing I would like to, according to heterogeneous mixture, I would like to provide an example. Then the example I would like to provide is ice cream. Although ice cream is solid, we can see that we can tell it can be seen very easily. However, if I take some of the ice cream out into the bowl, let's see what will happen. Why I say ice cream is a heterogeneous mixture? Because the ice cream is mixed with many different kinds of things, such as milk, flavors, water, and many things. However, if it is settled in the water, the shape can be uniform. The shape can be uniform if the water is in it. Let's see what will happen if the ice cream is mixed with water. I have some hot water ready now, so the result can be seen very easily. Well, the water is mixed with ice cream. Then, what we have been found is a heterogeneous mixture. It can be settled into water, and we can see that it is not solid anymore. It's been changed into liquid, and it is a mixture. The shape is not uniform. We can see it very easily. We can tell. The ice cream is melted. The next thing I would like to talk about is suspension. Suspension is what is can be mixed with water, but it cannot be suspended due to small density. The example I will use in it is water. Then let's put some oil in it and see what will happen. This is what oil will mixed with water. It is true that it is a mixture, but the oil is suspended. Since the oil's density is smaller than water, it will be suspended. That is how suspension is made, and that is why the oil is the suspension. The last thing I would like to talk about is emulsion. I will still use oil as the example. Oil can be mixed with water, but it is hard to be separated once they are mixed. Let's see what will happen if the water and oil is mixed. Once water and oil is mixed, we can tell that the oil and water is mixed. It will be hard once it is separated, since they are mixed together. That is how it can be mixed. When it is mixed, if we would like to separate them, it must be very hard. I would like to pull it out and see the result. How to separate, right? We can tell.